Good day. Oral presentation English Lesson 2. Introduce myself. Tell about my trip experiences in the water in Zipaquirá. Recommendation if you go to Zipaquirá. My name is Yamile Torres Perez. I'm 20 years old. I was born in Ibagué. I'm a student program at the Environmental Engineering. I'm single. I love to travel and know Colombia. My occupation is accounting and administrative assistant. My dad is mechanic of motorcycles, and my mommy is a pharmacist. I do not have siblings. Country life in Alvarado. Mi trip experience in Zipaquirá. It's to go to Zipaquirá. Last vacation, it was to Zipaquirá in West with my boyfriend and exciting today. I like because it was cheap. I could spend 200,000 per person. In like it because there were many places to visit. For example, the historic streets, the various squares, the Cathedral of San is marble in Colombia. Since they has no relative to this beautiful city. The water in Zipaquirá. The climate of Zipaquirá is cloudy in morning, and in the course of the day it's very breezy. In the night it's present very low temperatures that cause a lot of cold. Your recommendation. It is recommended that people would visit Zipaquirá, wear comfortable and wear clothing to avoid clothes. What people should do if you plan to go to Zipaquirá, you must book the tickets in Bogotá to travel by train to Zipaquirá to enjoy the scenery. Being in Zipaquirá it's better to book the food and water to walk to that the tours. The food is very expensive in tasty place. Honestly, I shouldn't go to visit the site already Cathedral in Zipaquirá, the Diocesan Cathedral. They shouldn't walk through the Plaza de los Comuneros, Quevedo Sornosa, Mountain House, Nobel Casa, Culture Center, Gabriel García Márquez. What people should do? People should good transportation to visiting place because it is better to walk. You had better know what which and what camera. Thank you.